for today's video, guys. We get a lot of basura cans, bottles, guys, sa ilalim ng tulay sa Golden Gate of Sacramento of California. The Golden Gate of California River. Ayan, guys, na masura jud mi, guys. We have a lot of cans. Jackpot today because today is our day off. We pick up some bottles and cans because California is very expensive to live. You have mortgage $3,000. You have cell phone, how much? $200 a month. We have electricity, $500. We have water. How much is our water? 150. And garbage. And a lot of bills. Insurance, car insurance, home insurance, medical insurance is $1,600 a month. That's California life. You wanna live in California? Come here. I dare you. If you're tapulan, if you are lazy, you cannot live in California, promise. You live in welfare because either you are hard worker over there or you want to live in the system. You want to be lazy not working, the system will pay you. But us, we don't want to live in the system. Thank you guys for watching. Me and my husband, basurero and basurera in California. Bye!